guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to select the style of the cells on your Excel file created on the office.com website. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the website, and after that you should start creating your Excel file. Go to your home page by tapping on the home button on the left side of the screen. Go to the right side at the top, and here you can find this cell styles button, so tap on it, and here you can find a vast variety of options that you can choose from, organized into categories such as good, bad, neutral, data and model, titles and headings, theme, cell styles, and you can also set the number format such as comma, currency or percent. So just tap on the relevant one and then it will be added to your cell. You can also select a whole column if you want to, and then change the style of it like this. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.